This male algae octopus can't wait to be free. Because when the water rises, he goes looking for romance. It's octopus speed dating. The young male has spotted a female, but a more experienced striped rival gets there first. His extended arm is an open invitation to mate. Our young male is prepared to fight for her. The males wrestle, each of their 8 arms moving independently. It's the ultimate showdown. But it's more than just a physical fight. It's intelligence gathering. Best to go for a female who's not already taken. He starts the conversation. His tens of thousands of color-changing skin cells send a message. Her reply looks promising. His come-on has done the trick. He extends his specialized mating arm. Its modified tip will deliver a packet of sperm, if he can just find the right spot. Nope, still not it. But she's getting impatient and hungry. Mating on the move.